Hey there, Chris Parks here. Happy Homeownership Month. We're going to be sharing some great information this month on first-time homebuyer information, and we're going to be kicking it off specifically talking about FHA loans today, which is a great way to get you set up for success long-term on one of these homes because these loans are extremely flexible and they're very useful for you when it comes to buying a home. And they don't have to be, they're so flexible that they really allow you with lower credit scores and lower down payments. There's all sorts of benefits and ways to help you get into one of these homes, especially with an FHA loan. Now, my name is Chris Parks. I'm with the Parks Mortgage Group, and we're certainly happy to share this time with you and spend some a little bit more time going into details the next couple weeks, especially on what to expect when it comes to FHA loans. If you have some questions, certainly post them in the comments below. Love to get to you on them. But I do want to offer you something real quick. Well, actually, you'll have to stay to the end because there are some things that we want to share with you that are very important, and we got a free offer for you as well. Now, why is an FHA loan still like the rock star of all the loans in 2025? Well, down payment wise, if you're a first-time home buyer, down payment's 3.5%. Second-time home buyer, 3.5%. There are all sorts of financing ways to be able to get in with an FHA loan. If you're a first-time home buyer, sometimes there's down payment assistance programs. Sometimes there are grants. Sometimes there are other programs like that can actually help you get into the house. If you're not a first-time home buyer and you need assistance as well, there are programs like that as well. There's 100% financing. There's no grants really, but there's 100% financing. There's a way to move into that next home without really having to outlay a ton of cash with that. Now, you're allowed to get some gift funds. And so we see a lot of family members, especially trying to help out. Grandpa and grandma are usually trying to help out. Mom and dad are usually trying to help out. Everybody's trying to help out to make sure that you can get into your first home. Now, not everybody has that, so that's where the grants and down payment assistance do come in. But those are great ways to help you get into a home. Another great thing with FHA loans is the flexibility. All sorts of flexibility to help you get into a program, into a house, and actually benefit long-term from it. And some of the loans are assumable too. So those are some options that you have right there. They still have some great opportunities, especially with how they look at student loans, with how they look at debt in general. So all sorts of great pieces right here. So here's something that we just want to share with you is that with the FHA loan, your credit doesn't have to be perfect. You can actually go down to a 580 credit score. That's extremely important because some people have had a black eye at some point in time financially or have had a ground zero at some point financially. These are all places that you can, with an FHA loan, it's a whole lot more flexible and actually can help you get into a house a whole lot easier. Now, before I get going on the last few pieces, I just want to share with you the free information that we have available to you. And this free information is actually located on my website. Now, you can go to my website and go to the resources tab, and you can see all sorts of great information in there. You can even download a free guide, 100% guide, 100% free. It's about first-time home buyers and how to get set up. I mean, we spent hours putting this thing together, and it's very useful for you. So I'd encourage you to go to my website and actually download some of this information. That's on the resources tab. Now, there's also an events tab where we have all sorts of great information as far as upcoming events and webinars and other things like that. And recently, we got one coming up in the end of June that is going to be very specifically is going to be designed as a first-time FHA style loan. So I'd encourage you to come back and take a look at that and sign up if you can for this event because you're going to find that it's going to be very useful for you. Now, some of the things that are extremely ideal for FHA is if you're a first-time home buyer, it's a great way to get you set up for success. And I encourage you to kind of consider this. Now, a lot of people have fear because of credit or because of down payment or because of the interest rates. FHA has lower interest rates than most. So this is a great way to get you set up for success and helping you get where you want to go. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy the free resources I have. Love to get you to sign up and subscribe. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Spend some time with me. Spend a little bit going with me. And let's see what we can do to help you establish your home this year. Talk to you soon.